Welcome back to Car AUG 765, the place where we bring classic machines back to life with stories, passion, and pure automotive appreciation. If you love vintage American trucks and timeless design, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true American workhorse with undeniable charm, the 1970 GMC C15. This classic pickup represents a golden era of American trucks, when strength, simplicity, and bold styling came together in a way that still turns heads more than 5 decades later. The 1970 GMC C15 was part of GMC's second-generation CK truck lineup, often referred to as the Action Line series. These trucks were designed with both utility and comfort in mind, offering a smoother ride and more refined styling compared to earlier models. The C15 was the half-ton, rear-wheel drive version, built for everyday hauling, farm work, construction jobs, and everything in between. From the outside, the 1970 GMC C15 carries a bold and confident presence. The front grille features a clean, horizontal bar design with the iconic GMC lettering proudly displayed at the center. The squared-off body lines give it a strong and muscular stance, while the slightly rounded edges soften the look just enough to make it timeless. The long hood, wide fenders, and classic chrome bumpers create a truck that feels both rugged and stylish. One of the most attractive things about the 1970 C15 is its balanced proportions. Whether you see it in short bed or long bed form, it looks purposeful and ready to work. Many models came in beautiful factory colors that still shine today when properly restored: deep blues, classic reds, forest greens, and clean whites that highlight the truck's simple yet bold design. Step inside, and you'll notice that GMC focused on improving driver comfort compared to earlier truck generations. The interior of the 1970 GMC C15 is straightforward and functional, but it also has a certain vintage charm that modern trucks simply can't replicate. The wide bench seat offers plenty of space, and the large steering wheel gives you that authentic classic truck feel. The dashboard layout is clean, with easy-to-read gauges and simple controls. Everything is mechanical, honest, and built to last. Under the hood, the 1970 GMC C15 offered a variety of engine options. Buyers could choose from inline-6 engines for dependable daily work or step up to powerful V8 options for more serious performance. The available V8 engines provided strong torque, making the C15 capable of towing and hauling with confidence. Paired with either a manual transmission or an automatic gearbox, the truck delivered reliable power to the rear wheels. Driving a 1970 GMC C15 is a completely different experience compared to modern trucks. There are no driving modes, no electronic assists, and no digital screens. What you get instead is a direct mechanical connection to the road. The steering feels solid, the engine sound is raw and satisfying, and every shift reminds you that you're operating a true piece of machinery. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. What makes the 1970 GMC C15 even more special today is its collectibility. Classic truck enthusiasts appreciate these models for their durability, simple mechanics, and easy restoration potential. Parts availability remains strong, and many owners enjoy customizing their trucks with upgraded suspensions, modern wheels, or restored factory finishes. Whether kept original or tastefully modified, the C15 continues to attract attention at car shows and local cruise nights across the United States. Another reason the 1970 GMC C15 stands out is its role in American culture. Trucks like this helped build communities, support small businesses, and power farms and job sites across the country. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a partner in hard work. That legacy adds emotional value that goes beyond horsepower and specifications. Today, when you see a well-preserved 1970 GMC C15 driving down the road, it feels like a moving piece of history. It reminds us of a time when trucks were built tough, styled boldly, and engineered to last for generations. Its classic design continues to influence modern pickups, proving that good design truly never goes out of style. The 1970 GMC C15 is more than just a vintage truck. It's a symbol of American durability, honest engineering, and timeless character. Whether you're a collector, a classic truck enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates old-school craftsmanship, this truck deserves respect and admiration. If you enjoyed learning about the 1970 GMC C15, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow truck lovers, and most importantly, subscribe to CarOg 765 for more classic car and truck stories. Let me know in the comments which vintage truck you'd like to see featured next. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion for classic machines alive.